Time is precious. Let's jump in. Steps on your screen. In the first step, launch the Settings app. Later, scroll to the General tab. Then select the keyboard option. In the next step, tap on Text Replacement. After that, hit the tlapfa symbol at the top. In the next step, type your shortcut in the phrase field. Next, fill in the full text in the shortcut area. Then tap Save when finished. In the next step, open a typing app. Then use the shortcut you created. In the next step, see if it works as expected. After that, modify through text replacement if necessary. You are good to go.